All right, everyone, welcome. Namaste. Welcome to the beginner yoga course. This is going to be a very gentle class designed to help your body prepare for meditation. We're going to begin in a comfortable seated pose. Whenever you're ready, just find a nice, comfortable position. We're going to keep the spine nice and straight, and let's begin. We're going to start by just bringing the hands to heart center. If you'd like to set an intention, please do so. Think about why you're watching this video. Why are you cultivating this practice? Maybe you want more peace, more longevity, more mindfulness. Just take a few moments to set your intention now. Okay, we're going to begin on the floor in tabletop. Bring the knees down, nice comfortable position here. You want the knees about shoulder width apart, hands nice and wide. Spread those fingers. We're gonna breathe in, bring the gaze up. Exhale, tucking that chin in. Again, breathing in. As you bring the gaze up, exhale, drawing that navel towards the spine. Inhale, bring the gaze up. Exhale. This is called the wave-like movements, also known as cat-cow. We're going to do a few of these at your own pace. Every time you do this movement, we're unlocking life force energy from the spine all the way to the entire body. Coming down, resting in firm pose. Take nice long breaths. Yoga is about breath awareness. This is a beginner class designed to prepare the body for meditation. Really crawl those fingers out. Deep breaths. Really exaggerating the breathing movements here. This is an active pose. Really get those fingers as far as you can. We're really unlocking life force energy in the spine, opening up the shoulder blades. Your next inhale, bring the gaze up. And once again, coming back to all fours. Okay. All right, we're gonna activate that core power center now. Are you ready? Nice big inhale. Exhale, right leg and left arm, nice and strong, straight like an arrow. Nice big inhale. Exhale, tuck in. Inhale, straight like an arrow. Exhale, tuck in. Inhale, straight like an arrow. Exhale, tuck in. Try to keep that leg off your mat if possible. Go ahead and do two more. Exhale. Back to tabletop. Really check in with yourself in between each pose. This is very important. Keep those fingers spread nice and wide, supporting the wrists. Knees about shoulder width apart. Big inhale once again. And exhale, left leg this time with the right arm. Big inhale. Exhale, tuck in. Inhale. Exhale, tuck in. Inhale. Exhale, straight like an arrow. Nice, slow, conscious movements here, okay? Last one. And back down. Once again, coming down to all fours into firm pose. We're gonna bring the arms all the way around into folded leaf. Really relax here. This is the fetal position here. We were here for 9 months. This is very comfortable. Really relax. Let go. You can wiggle side to side and just find a nice comfortable resting position. When you're ready, we're gonna come all the way up. We're gonna bring the hands to heart center. We're gonna do a slight back bend. Go ahead and plant the hands first. If this is comfortable for you, you can stay right here. If you want a little bit more, go ahead and come up onto the heels. Staying right here will give you a little more in this back bend. Again, planting the hands. We're gonna lead with the chest. Nice deep inhale. Exhale, coming up. Staring at the ceiling. Don't forget to breathe. This is a very important pose. Check your neck, make sure you have a nice strong spine. One more breath here. Exhale, leading with the chest. Now we're gonna come down to a nice comfortable cross-legged position. Take your time, find a nice comfortable position, either half lotus, full lotus, whatever is most comfortable for you. It's just important to keep the seat bones on the ground, nice grounding position. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna bring those palms up, shoulders back, keep that chin level, and breathe. Close the eyes. Begin to bring awareness to your breath. We're not trying to control the breath in any way, simply just observing. Meditate with me for about 2 minutes. If you have any thoughts, just let them pass you by. Just like the leaves blowing in the wind, let them fall and don't entertain them. It's all about gentle relaxation. Thoughts will come and go. All you have to do is watch. Palms down, join me for 3 ohms. Nice big inhale, palms together.